Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Shubham, and in this video we're going to learn the basic knife combos. Let's get started. For the knife combos you need a training knife. Here I'm using a training blunt knife. Alright, if you don't have access to this, you can always use a pen with a cap on. Let's go. So here the first combo, we're going to do angle 1, angle 2, as always angle 1 and angle 2 and thrust. Angle 1, angle 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. Angle 1, angle 2, thrust. Angle 1, angle 2, thrust. Straight for 2 minutes and then switch your hands. Alright, you can always perform the things, whatever I'm doing with right, I'm gonna do with left because ambidexterity. Alright, 1, 2, thrust. Angle 1, angle 2, thrust. Angle 1, angle 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. Switch hands. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. Switch hands. 1, 2, thrust. 1, 2, thrust. Okay. So the other combination is a slash and a circular. Slash and a circular. Slash and a circular. Horizontally slash and vertically slash. Alright. So horizontally slash and vertically slash. Horizontally slash and vertically slash. 1, 2, 1, 2. These are not angle 1 and 2, but you're just doing 1 and 2 strikes. 1, 2. Imagine you're making a plus sign, the plus sign. Alright, horizontal slash and vertical slash. Horizontal slash and a vertical slash. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Always do with the other hand as well. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do this straight for 2 minutes with one hand and then switch to the other hand. The third drill, in this drill you're going to make a U. Alright, so you thrust and then slash and then thrust and then slash. Thrust, slash, thrust, slash. Thrust, slash, thrust, slash. Thrust, slash, thrust, slash. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then switch hands after 2 minutes. Switch your hand. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. The best urban weapon you can train is the knife, and it's better than gun. You know why? Because Punisher says so.
What you picked? That's called a K-bar. It's a Marine's best friend. You up close. I'd rather have this than any firearm. You see, with a gun, target can get lucky, a bullet can miss what's important, but not with this. You slide it in, you guide it through, and you rip right into the parts of a man that make him dead. There's no luck in that. From where you're sitting right now, say you had a gun, you could be locked and loaded, and I'd still rather be me. I could close the distance. No! Cut that little head of yours clean off before you'd ever get a shot. You feel tough now, huh?
Make sure to combine all these combos, alright? Again and again. Do it like this, alright? I'll see you in the next video. Signing off, Shubham. You know the best thing about knife? Knife never runs out of bullet.
This is Sparta!